I don't wanna be in Findlay cause it goes to bed at 9. I don't wanna be in Bowling Green because it's plastered all the time. I don't wanna be in Lima cause there's nothing there to do. I just wanna spend some time with you. I don't wanna be in Cincy cause it smells like burning tires. I don't wanna be in Cleveland cause the lake will catch on fire. I don't wanna be in Dayton, not without a 22. I just wanna spend some time with you. Oh, well, it's so damn hard to find a reason to stay in this infuriating place, but it's harder still to find a reason to leave. Oh. I don't wanna be in New York cause it's buried under grime. I don't wanna be in Portland where it's raining all the time. I don't wanna be in San Francisco in the early morning dew. I just wanna spend some time with you. I don't wanna be in London cause the skies are always